Hello and welcome as we explore the Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone, a lightweight 4K quadcopter designed for beginners and adults. This foldable drone weighs less than 250 grams, eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration, making flying hassle-free. Equipped with a Galaxy Core 1/3-inch CMOS sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera adjustable up to 90 degrees, it captures stunning photos and videos. The advanced controller connects to your smartphone with a single data cable, enabling real-time image streaming without Wi-Fi. With an impressive 10,000 feet control range and 20 minutes flight time, this drone offers freedom and long-distance exploration. Its powerful GPS ensures stable flight and smart return home when the battery is low or connection drops. Enjoy intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and One Tap Ascension, all controlled easily through the Holy Stone HS Fly app. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.